Shintoism and Tenrikyo from the 22nd of the 8th month of 1446. Is Tenrikyo different from or a type of Shintoism? Is the power of construction different from an interconnected theism? The priestcraft of China resulted in the chronicles. Thus was cemented the sense of origins. Oral tradition always spoke of the heavenly pillar and how the entities began. Japan's chronicles improved the understanding, but it was not quite sacred scripture. Liturgies to the spiritual entities hit the mark more purely. There was a resistance by the wider communities to a single canon, but they accepted the idea of sources for their character. There is an ultimate, and it guides a sort of possession towards embodying the sweet dew platform. We work towards the transforming end. And the kan rodai is also translated as the heavenly dew. And that's the construction that I was talking about. And of course, one thing that we look at is the kami. And the kami may be treated as deities, but that's not the only interpretation of them. So the first type of chronicles that I talk about are the Kojiki. The Nihon Shoki are a sort of chronicles that more directly relates to the Japanese. And the Narito is more of the ritual or purely religious section.